just finished filming this makeup look. It's so gloomy outside. I just filmed this makeup look for a YouTube video. Crazy, I know. Come here, Rue. Come here. Rue's going to get his hair cut today. We gotta go, baby. Oh my goodness, what a big boy. Here's Ruby. Can't even see, poor baby. I'm gonna drive and make Jace hold him because he's a big old boy. I'm gonna go inspect because also messaged me back and said send me photos of the front yard. So that's what I'm gonna go do while you get changed.
Okay.
I think I left my phone in here. Lenny, you're so cute. Just missed a call from my mom. We're going to get your hair. Can I stay with Uncle
Stay here, buddy.
Yeah.
Ready to get your hair cut, Reese?
Off we go.
Okay, stay in here, buddy. There you go.
Did our garage close? Yeah. We just dropped Rue off, and now I'm sitting in the car waiting for Jace. He went to Panera to get his daily charged lemonade. I'm having a grouchy day today. I just feel like so many, you know when you have one of those days where like things keep coming up or things keep coming at you, and it's like just one of those days where everything is just frustrating. Do you know what I mean? It's also gloomy outside, so that's not helping. I got an email from our landlord this morning that made me so annoyed. I need to see if I'm PMSing, hold on. Because that's like the vibe I'm getting right now. Yeah. Yikes. Period in 7 days, it's beginning. Okay, that explains everything. I'm not crazy. My landlord emailed me this morning. He sent me pictures of our front yard area. And first of all, he was not invited to our home. Second, he never told us he was coming over. And he does not live in this country, so it was weird. He sent pictures of our front yard and was like, hey, we noticed that like you have some weeds and we need you to get that taken care of, and we'll send someone over to clean it up and we'll just add it onto your rent. And I'm like, that's not in our lease, first of all. Second, front yard got a little bit out of control in recent weeks because of how busy I've been and how busy Jace has been. But also, like, don't show up unannounced and take pictures of our house from, like, he, like, walked up to our garage and turned around and took photos. I mean, I know it's his house, but also weird vibes all around. So that really made me in a bad mood, because also yesterday we had landscapers come and we knew that it was getting out of control, but like we're not irresponsible. Like we're not gonna leave the yard looking, you know, dissatisfying to our neighbors. And like our yard did not look bad. We just had like a couple weeds in the front that needed to be pulled, and the tree needed to be trimmed back a little bit. So that really set the tone for the day of me being like, who does that? Who comes to someone's house and takes photos and doesn't even like say anything that they're coming? I don't know, man. Was feeling weird about that, and now that I realize I'm PMSing, it all makes sense. I have PMDD. If you don't know what that is, I wish I was you. I've been diagnosed with it for a while, but it's like, it's the worst because it's like for a week to like a week and a half out of each month, I just don't feel like myself. More so that I have body dysmorphia, but it's like it's like if body dysmorphia could level up to like 500, that's what PMDD is like. It's called premenstrual dysphoric disorder. And it has me like believing shit that never even happened or like isn't going to happen. And just weird stuff. So anyways, cars are pulling up next to me. It's always a weird time to vlog in a busy parking lot. I didn't have to have my period ever. I really want kids, so like I can't go through with like removing of my uterus, but I swear once I have a child I will remove that shit because I'm so over it. It takes over my whole life for like a week and a half. How much time is that? All that aside, the glow up is still on. We are still glowing up by my 30th birthday. Been doing good on my eating. I didn't even have candy today. No candy. And it's 1 p.m. Had my breakfast, had my coffee. I've had a lot of water. I'm on a good track. Jace is getting me chicken noodle soup in Panera right now because it's gloomy and that's what I feel like I want. And then for dinner we're gonna have chicken and salad again. So really good on my eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I think it's on day 5, which is a really big accomplishment for me. So I need to give myself credit for that. That's really cool of me. I'm really excited for me to get back on track, get my life together, and go into my 30s being hot and thriving. And hopefully 2023 is like a better year all around, because 2022 was kind of a shite year for me, like I've already complained in my last video. So I am determined to enter my slay era and end the flop era that I'm currently trying to crawl my way out of. That's all. Okay, so we ended up running a few more errands. We went to the mall because I wanted to get a jacket because I had this vision for a photo for my preset pack. So we did that really quick. We stopped by my mom's, said hi to Phoebe girl, and now we're back home. My makeup looks like absolute trash because I use retinol or tretinoin or whatever, and when you like get off the schedule, it makes your skin so dry and flaky. So I am gonna touch up my makeup, and it's only like 5:30, but it is so dark outside. Why is this the worst mirror I've ever seen? It's already so dark outside. We just picked Rue up from his appointment. I'll have to show you him after. He looks so cute. I don't know what I'm doing. I just wanted my makeup to be like darker. I feel like this isn't looking good. Sometimes it's hard to put makeup over already worn makeup. Are these horribly uneven? Probably. Here's my look. It's really just this leather jacket because I'm wearing full Arlo Mars underneath, but it's really just going to be this jacket and my hat. And the vision for this photo is like in the car. So we're gonna see if Jace will help me take it. Oopsie, I'm so zoomed. Oh, wrong way. He's watching a documentary right now, so maybe he's not gonna want to help me, but I think he will. Jace is always down to do anything.
When I met Teddy was a time when I
want to see Rue's haircut.
Rue!
What happened?
But my big mouth is costing. You got your beret on?
Yeah, can you help me take a picture?
Yeah.
We have to go in the car. Yeah. And can you bring your phone for a flashlight?
Teddy had a great desire to be on television, and
I have a vision.
wanting to find redemption.
Gonna bring this guy. I'm grabbing props.
Hello, vlog. What are you getting right now?
A lip gloss.
Nice.
You never know what you're gonna need when you're in your front
So
yard.
what is the style you're going for on this one?
It's gonna be like paparazzi.
Paparazzi.
Yeah. The vibe is
Who's
paparazzi.
you're being the you're the paparazzi? I'm the paparazzi?
Kind of.
Paparazzi. That song?
Because
Are we driving somewhere? We're just
just start the car.
we're
Actually, I should probably sit on that side.
okay. What's it? So what are we doing?
Just stand over here, you don't need to get in. So the vibe is gonna be...
What's the vibe, girl?
The vibe is gonna be kind of like through the window.
We're
Like
having
this.
trouble getting...
Yeah, I know. You're gonna shine your flashlight at me and I'm gonna take a selfie here.
Like from what direction here? I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, just like shine your flashlight on me, like, let's see. Perfect, see?
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
But almost stand back more. This way.
Here?
Yeah.
Should I ask you an intrusive question?
Like what?
What do paparazzis yell?
Oh, I don't know. I just wanted it to kind of look like nighttime flash.
I feel like it looks better from this angle out here.
Does it? Well, I have an idea for that too. I don't know how to wear these hats. Like, they're cute. Did you see I put my pins on?
I saw, yeah, look at that. You look like you're ready to write in your journal. You're on the case.
Does it look bad?
No.
Does it look cute or ugly?
It's cute. Am I supposed to be doing anything? Cause I'm cold. Paparazzi. I got a question for you.
Yeah.
Are you wearing sweatpants and a leather jacket?
Mm-hmm. This is shoulders up, so it's comfort on the bottom.
I haven't seen that combo too much. It's like one time at Walmart I saw a girl wearing pajama pants and high heels.
Now for the next one, you're gonna do a video.
Okay,
So
do you
you
want to
don't
stop this?
You don't need this.
What am I doing?
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah, it's just cold.
Are you cold?
Are you gonna turn the heater on in there?
I was
To
thinking
heat
about
me
it,
up?
and I
To
thought,
warm me up?
I thought, wait a second, that's not gonna work. Chase is doing a paparazzi shot of me in the car. And we have Rumors by Lindsay Lohan playing.
Tell me about Brad Pitt. No. Have a fun party tonight?
I'm sick of being followed. Saying what they want about me.
No, I want to be able to put this flat.
Right away. Jingle bell time is a swell time.
Oh, I thought we were taking a picture.
To go riding in a one-horse sleigh.
Giddy up, jingle
you
horse.
didn't do the pause.
Pick up the feet.
Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet.
Jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle and a jingling beat. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock.
Okay, we're trying to take a picture together. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Why did it take 5 seconds to do that? Whoa, whoa, Bean. Come
Whoa.
closer and don't have crazy eyes. What's going on?
Whoops.
Ooh, my eye's watering. Cute. Okay, I'm gonna do it once without this, like, flash thing on. To rock the night away. Do it, Bean.
Jingle bell time, it's a swell time.
What was that?
Go riding in the one-horse sleigh. Clickety clack.
Okay, can you...
Boy. What's up?
This is when you said, giddy up, jingle boy. It's focusing on everything but this. Hello. We'll just know it's a picture of me looking at like a buffoon. But also you're over here saying giddy up, jingle boy. Okay, one more and we'll be done. Y'all?
Mixing, jingling.
Do you like when I sing like that?
Yes, beautiful. Beautiful voice. Voice of an angel.
I think we're done.
Okay.
To go riding in a... I think a neighbor just walked by. You gotta really get it deep down. Can you do it?
Not like that.
Do it.
To go riding in a one
Sound
horse
like you're from the swamp.
sleigh. Giddy up,
No.
jingle horse.
No, do it for real.
What do you mean, do it for real?
You can do it like
sing
that.
the song?
Yes.
Giddy up.
No, sing it like from deep within.
That's what that is, deep.
No,
Giddy up.
that's high.
Get. I can't go lower than that. I can go higher. Giddy up. Giddy up, jingle, pick up your feet.
How low can you go?
Not very low. Like,
Good.
Jiggle around the clock.
You sound so creepy.
Mix it. I can't go very low.
Giddy up a jingle horse, pick. You know, sometimes when you sing by yourself and you're like, that sounds good, and then you like record it and you listen
What
later
did
and
you-
you're like, no.
Well, you'll get to check it out soon.
I'm tired of rumors starting. Followed.
Saying what they want about me. Let me live.
I don't understand why would you wanna bring me down. I'm only having fun.
I'm gonna live my life.
I'm kinda hungry.
I ate that leftover chicken from the other day.
Alright, well this vlog is trailing on now of us. You wanna sign it off? I
Oh,
think
you're gonna have me do that
I think
again?
the people miss your sign off.
Oh my goodness. Are
There
you
you
ready?
go.
This is what a great time we all had here today. And this is goodbye for now. But we'll be back again soon. Until then, goodbye. Goodbye.
Why is your hand up like that?
Goodbye. Goodbye. Hey Santa, how you been? How you doing? Thanks so much for the My Chem reunion. This year I don't know what I'm doing, but if I don't get tickets I'm suing.